Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make a real basic Asian style stock. Okay, really easy. So I've got some frozen chicken stock in there. I've added in some about 3 pieces of dried citrus peel, a couple of star anise and half a cinnamon stick. Probably about 3 star anise is going in. Now here I've got some chicken thighs, and I'm just going to put these into the stock while it's still cool, and I'm basically going to sort of poach these just nice and slowly. I want to cook this off nice and low for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until that chicken is cooked, and you'll see all the fat come out of the chicken and it will rise to the top. This doesn't take very long, and I'm going to make up a nice big batch of this because I'm going to make a bunch of soups for that upcoming week. We're having some really cold weather in Canberra. Remove your chicken pieces, set those aside, and keep those for another soup. Alright, believe me, we're going to use that again. And as you go, you might find your star anise and your other bits of dried seasonings that we put in. Now I'm going to strain the stock off, bit of kitchen towel on the bottom and a kitchen wipe, clean of course, right, brand new. I'm going to put that in, and I'm just going to ladle that over. We'll ladle all of that stock straight through there, and we're going to end up with a really nice clear type of stock. How easy was that to do? It's a real quick video just to show you how to do this, so we can get on with our next couple of videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. Hey, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell, be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment, please share the video. In the meantime, if you want to learn another quick basic video or another recipe just like this one, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you next time. Bye.